Hey everyone, just got back and picked this freezer up on Facebook Marketplace. Now the guy said that it just quit cooling on him. It's a really good freezer. It's a nice little freezer. Deer season's coming up here, so I picked this thing up. It's not too bad on the inside. Seems pretty new here. So this hopefully should work out well for our deer camp here. But it's not cooling, so I'm going to take off this side panel down here and show you exactly how I'm going to fix this freezer. So first we're going to want to go ahead and take out all the screws that go around this little panel here. I went ahead and took the liberty of getting the other ones off of there. So I'm going to take this last one off here and show you what the inside of this looks like. Alright. So you should have something that kind of looks like this or resembles this. It's got a little clip that's right here on the capacitor side. This clip just simply pops right off of there. Just take a flathead screwdriver, pop that clip off right there, and you're able to expose the components on the inside. Now, what has happened with this particular model is that the hard start or the run or the start capacitor in there has pretty much gave out, or it's burned up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a temporary fix on this just to get this freezer up and going, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Now you're going to have wires that are connected to this run capacitor, and then you've got your start capacitor on the back here. You're going to want to take all that off of there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this piece off as soon as it lets me. There we go. Get that off. We're going to take these capacitors, start capacitor off there. This one's going to come off. And now you should have something that it's got 3 prongs on it. There it is right there. It's this right here, what I'm talking about inside here. So that's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to show you how to get this freezer up and going using our 3-in-1 start. So this 3-in-1 start is this right here. Okay, so the part number on this, it's SUPCO, S-U-P-C-O, 3-in-1 start. And I think this is, yeah, right there, the RC0410 quarter to third horsepower there, 115 volts. This will get you up and going. And if you're not sure where the wires go or anything like that, it's actually got a diagram that shows you what color wire goes where and how to put that on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on there, and I'll show you the results here. Okay, so I've got it all hooked up there. Get that wire out of the way. And now you can see you've got the black on the top, the white on the left-hand side, the red on the right-hand side. Now, you're also going to have a run capacitor that's back here, and it's like a white cylinder. There's going to be 2 wires coming off of that. Me, personally, I'm just going to cap these wires off because I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to keep this 3-in-1 start on there. I know a lot of people may hate on that, saying, oh no, you don't want to do that. It's like putting a Ferrari engine in a Pinto or whatever. I get it. I understand this is a temporary fix. You always want to replace it with OEM. But I will also let you know that I've got a refrigerator that I did this to 6 years ago, and it's still running perfectly fine, no issues or anything like that. So I get it, I understand. Some people may not like this fix, but this is something that you can do to get your freezer up and going in a pinch while you're waiting on the OEM part. So the ones that are going to that white capacitor, there's going to be a brown and a blue one on there. I just take those and I'll cap those off. I cut off the connector, but I'll cap those. The ones that I really want are the ones that are going over here, which is going to be our white and our blue one. Now, it doesn't really matter on the 3-in-1 which side that you put it on, just as long as they're connected. I went ahead and put these little pieces on here, so that way it makes it a little bit of an easier connector. So I'm going to connect that one, and I'm going to connect this one in there, and I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to see if this thing fires off. So I've got it right here, good to go. Let me go ahead and plug it in. and there you go. Compressor came on, it's running, and this 3-in-1, the reason why I cut those wires off back there and why I'm not going to use that run capacitor is because this is also a run capacitor. It's a start and a run all in one. So like I said, you know, this is a temporary fix. This isn't something that should be permanent, and you should always replace it with the OEM part. But if you are in a pinch, you're waiting for that part, maybe it's on back order, especially today with the shortages of things that we're running into, it's something that's going to get you by until that part comes in there. So again, I'll try to get it a little bit closer in here for you. Move that out of the way over here. And all you can do is just take this, zip tie it, put it back in there, and obviously secure your connections and everything like that. But again, that capacitor, see if I can get some light back there. There you go. That one right back there, I'm not worried about that one anymore because I've got it all right here in this one. So that's how you're gonna fix your Kenmore chest freezer. And like I said, I got this one for free off of Facebook Marketplace. I had this starter laying around, and it was able to fix my issue. So now I've got a good freezer for deer camp coming up. So thanks again for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. Greatly appreciate that. Be safe out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.